Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday we talked about weight. It's a unit of measurement. Maybe you have a scale in your house where you stand on it and it tells you how much you weigh. So how many pounds you are, maybe. Sometimes I have a little scale at my house that is a digital scale which shows me the numbers, and I weigh things on it in grams. The reason I do that is I make soap. So and also ounces. When I am making soap, I have to put my ingredients on that scale to measure how many ounces, or actually it is an ounce. It tells me how many ounces, but I think I can change it to grams too for different things. But different scales will give you different units of measure. You might be weighing in pounds or ounces or grams or fluid ounces. Now, fluid is a liquid, so if I'm measuring something that is solid, I'll measure it in ounces. If I'm measuring something that's liquid, I'll measure it in fluid ounces. There are all different ways that we measure to see how heavy something is. When something is heavy, it's hard to pick up, right? If it's light, it's easy to pick up. So today's math assignment has you ordering things from heaviest to lightest. Now, my math packet was missing this page. I have a blank page where it should be. So I'm going to go ahead and add this below if you need to print it. Now, it is a little confusing because you have one space and you have two spaces. And you're supposed to order things here from lightest to heaviest, and here from heaviest to lightest. So two different ways. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the top line, and I'm going to do it up here. And the bottom line I'm going to do down here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make one straight cut across this black line on top of my boxes. I'll show you what that looks like. By doing that, I leave my paper nice and straight across the bottom, so that now that I'm done, I have my pretty top and my neat and pretty bottom. Now I'm just going to cut off the extra around the outside. So I'm cutting on the dashes. And when I'm done, I'll have a great big rectangle. And then this can go in the trash, and there are all my pictures, right? So, listen carefully. I'm only going to cut off the top line, so I'm just going to cut that long dashed line through the middle. So I have this row and this row. Each row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. All right, so this is my first row. I have an apple, an elephant, a leaf, a pumpkin, and a bear. I have to look at my instructions. My pens, my markers like to roll away. My instructions say cut and paste the pictures from lightest to heaviest. So if I look at this row, which one is the lightest? I think a leaf. Wouldn't you think so? So I'm going to cut out and I'm going to put the leaf first. The leaf is the lightest. Put it right here. Now, which is the next lightest? Pumpkin, teddy bear, apple, or elephant? This is really tricky to figure out. The bear or the apple? Which one do you think is the lightest? I'm gonna say probably the apple, just because stuffed animals often have something in them that makes them a little bit heavier. So I'm gonna say the apple. And then since we were looking at it and we already know that the bear would be next, now you get to decide which is next, which is the next lightest, the pumpkin or the elephant. And you'll glue those down. Now when you're doing the next row, This time, look at your directions. You're going to cut and paste the pictures from heaviest to lightest. So you'll look at your pictures and decide which one of these objects is the heaviest, which one weighs the most. And you'll put it first, and then you go all the way to the lightest, the one that weighs the least. All right, I'm going to let you go ahead and work on that when you hang up. But before I do, I wanted to show you that we're doing another page just like yesterday, and it says combos to 10. Write the numeral, the number, to make 10. So, on my page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7, and I need 1, 8, 9, 10. I need 3 more to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 5 more, make 10. So 7 plus 3 makes 10, and 5 plus 5 makes 10. All right, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.